Alright, why is this all stringy for? What's that all about?
Cash, let me cross the state line just to see my waistline. When he ate this pussy, only time we ever FaceTime.
Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Vanessa back. I've ordered some, like, just a tiny bit of makeup. And if you watched my tutorials before, I really like sticking to what I know. So if I like my face when I beat it, I'm gonna keep on doing that, because that's the only reason why I wear makeup. I find what I know and what I like, and I keep on doing it. The New Year's coming, so I wanted to I don't know, this might be an inspirational makeup tutorial. This might inspire you to do some looks for New Year's. And yeah, I'm just gonna get straight into it. Dark skin, what's that word? Dark skin friendly and chocolate girl friendly. But everyone is welcome to watch and learn. But yeah, I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. And I conceal before I pencil my eyebrows. That's just how I do it now, because I actually like my natural eyebrow shape. So I conceal my natural eyebrow shape, then fill in anywhere that's faded. Girl, you get it first time. I like my eyebrows to look a bit like Kim K's. Like her eyebrows are natural, not too harsh. Bits of makeup things that I bought from Beauty Bay. Yeah, I go Beauty Bay because it arrives quickly and you get almost everything on there for an affordable price. So I needed a new foundation brush, so I had to order this Stigma brush, which is really soft, unused, and it's about to get messy real quick. But it's the Stigma Foundation F60 New Nars foundation in Macao, which I love so much. It's a tiny bit light, but I literally will make my face darker when I contour with an extra dark concealer. Oh my gosh, it is sliding on smooth like a baby's bottom, bro. Another key, just a quick key to flawless makeup and no flashback makeup, is to blend, and I'm making sure everything is hashed the hell out. Like, I love a bright under eye. If you know me, know I love a bright under eye. So yeah, ain't nothing wrong with a little bit of brightness under your eyes. As well, but they're actually from Wet n Wild Color Icon. So yeah, I thought they would be bigger eyeshadow palettes, but they're this size. So I had to get two. Again, affordable. No, I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go with this one, guys. This gives me the lashes of a lifetime. Liner from Revlon, again from Beauty Bay, but it looks too ashy like to wear by itself. I thought it was going to be like a mauve orangey sort of deep tone. It is ashy like